Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone call recording issues on the iOS 18 update. So if call recording isn't working on your iPhone, just follow the steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. And without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the step 1, that is to update your iPhone. So first, make sure that your iPhone is running the latest iOS software. So open the settings app and from here simply scroll down and tap on General. Now here simply tap on software update, and here if an update is available, just install it to ensure that you are using the most current version of iOS, because having the latest software can often fix the bugs and glitches related to the call recording. And with that, let's move forward to the step 2, that is to enable call recording in settings. So go back to the settings and from here simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on apps. Now here in the app section, simply scroll down and tap on phone, and after that you need to scroll down again until you find the option labeled as call recording, and once you found that, simply tap on it. Now here simply toggle on the call recording option, and this should activate the feature and you should be able to see the call recording option during the call. And with that, let's move forward to the step 3, that is to reset all settings. So if the call recording option is still missing, the next step is to reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, just open the settings app and from there simply scroll down and tap on General. Now here in the General section, simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. And here from the pop-up menu, simply choose Reset, and from the reset option select reset all settings, and you'll need to enter your screen time passcode to confirm. And also note that this will reset all settings like your Wi-Fi password and preferences, but won't delete your personal data. And that's it. By following all these steps, you should now see the call recording option where you are in a call. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.